What's your advice to youngsters who are still investing in penny stocks without looking at the fundamentals or the intrinsic value?
See, the stock is a penny stock because it doesn't have fundamentals. Otherwise, it wouldn't be a penny stock. The simple thing is there are experts, institutional investors in the market. Their full-time job, day in, day out, is to find undiscovered, undervalued opportunities and to assume that there was a brilliant potential multi-bagger undiscovered undervalued opportunity that all the smart investors couldn't spot and you could spot. I mean, 1 in a million that could happen, but laws of probability tells me it's 1 in a million. It shouldn't happen. If you are getting access to a penny stock that's supposed to do really well, most probably it's being dumped on you. वो चाहे आपके फूफा हो, ताऊजी हो, कोई भी आपको बता रहा हो. I'm not saying they are defrauding you, but they are victims as well. उनको उनके एजेंट ने, ब्रोकर ने विक्टिम बनाया है और they genuinely believe in their advisor, their broker, and they are in good faith sharing it with you कि insider information है. मुझे मेरे ब्रोकर ने, उसके दोस्त की कंपनी है, वो लोग अभी एक नया प्लान डाल रहे हैं. That's how all stories go. और ये अभी 3 रुपये का शेयर है, ये 300 रुपये हो जाएगा और विश्वास का आदमी है. एंड सो इफ अ स्टॉक इज अ पेनी स्टॉक, एंड इंडिया में क्या होता है ना, जब भी मैं ऐसा बोलूँगा एक टाइटन का एग्जाम्पल आ जाता है, विच इज़ वेरी ऑड. आई थिंक अगर आप एविडेंस को, लॉ ऑफ प्रोबेबिलिटी को, स्टैटिस्टिक्स को एनेक्डोटल एविडेंस से जस्टिफाई करोगे, दैट्स नॉट जस्ट अ रॉन्ग मेंटल मॉडल इन फाइनेंस, दैट्स अ रॉन्ग मेंटल मॉडल everywhere, anywhere. A person can smoke cigarettes for 100 years. You can't prescribe cigarettes as a remedy for for longer life. So exceptions happen. So when I say penny stocks fundamentally will give you bad returns, exceptions can happen. But in the stock market, if you want to build your wealth on exceptions, it's a recipe for disaster.
If you learned something new from this video, do share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel so that we can bring you the best content possible. Also, if you want to watch this entire episode, click on the link in the description box and you can go to Kushal Lodha YouTube channel and watch the entire podcast episode. Thank you so much for watching this and have an amazing day.